Okay. You want to design and build an amazing fabric environment or a fabric solution, and you want to just simply put together some of the icons to create, a basic, solution. Well, you can use all these different tools to do that, or we could just do it in PowerPoint and make it super simple, right? Like, why not? Why make this more complex than it has to be, right? All right, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff. If you want early access to this content, become a member. And for as little as $5 a month, you can get early access to all of these great videos. All right. So members first, but eventually everyone gets access to this. Okay. So I've got this file. This file is available out on my GitHub repo. So I'll have that comment down below, but it's out there. You can go out and download this now. What I've basically done is I've taken, the most key icons that are available out in the document repo that Microsoft publishes for icons and whatnot. That's also available. Link is in this file for where you can go get all of them. But there's literally thousands of those icons. I think I've curated just like a few hundred maybe icons that are most useful for me when it comes to creating architectural diagrams. Okay, so this is out there. I'm going to quick show this to you. I put this together in a live stream. It's like 6+ hours. You can go see that. It's a great reset button. I talk through everything for like hours, so I'm not going to go into that depth here, but I'm just going to run you through what's inside this PowerPoint real quick. Okay, so first off, we got your basic icons. These are your high-level icons, can be used for like designing what's going to happen here or there or whatnot. But these are generally speaking very high level. Think of them for like executive icons or executive summaries. Use this. The next layer is our fabric icons, and these are going to be the top ones that I've identified. There might be more. So, again, the link is right here. You can download all of the 2300, 2400, 20, however many hundreds of files there are. I've just pulled in the ones that are most relevant to me when it comes to building solutions. So I've got this. I also added in a Power BI icon. So there's a whole bunch of Power BI icons. There's actually a lot more in here. Again, these are maintained out on Git. So there's a link for these as well. I have some security icons. I've started to do a lot of stuff around security and making sure we have a clear line of sight into how secure something is people are using. So I've added those icons as well. I've also included some real basic like office icons. I've added those in, as well as some Azure icons are in here as well. Heck, you know what? I just realized I missed something here. We're gonna add in some. Oh, I gotta rebuild that. Forget it. We're not gonna do that yet. All right, well, we won't do it in this live stream. You'll be able to go out and check this out. But I'll have like all of the like Power Platform icons. I'll make sure that those get added in as well, so you can just use those Power Platform icons. Okay. The advantage of this is when you go to like build out an architecture. I've got like kind of a sample architecture that I put together inside of here. Now, I created some real basic, like architectural boundaries that I was working on. Like, okay, hey, here's the basics for how I'm gonna like structure my solution. Then I go into some more details around like what are the components I'm going to be using in each of these layers, right? So lakehouse, warehouse, databases, how I'm going to manage my storage with the processes, streaming. I even threw in some like workspace like demos and naming conventions that I was going to use as part of that. And then I really started to like build out what was security and governance looking like. This is just a nice little sample, like example of how you can leverage these icons to like actually build out and design your solution. All right. Hope you find this useful. Like I said, like, subscribe, check out the Git repo. If I'm missing anything important, let me know. I'll update it. Like, who the heck cares, right? Like, so come out and check it out. Bookmark should be down below. But you're the best. Isn't this awesome? I enjoy this stuff so much. I hope you find this useful. Big shout out to Jason Campbell for reminding me to publish this out. So, Jason, this one's for you, buddy. You guys have the best day ever. Peace. Yeah, get it. There's so much, right? If you need solutions that are like using these 2,300 different icons and you're just overwhelmed and you need help, or your organization's working on it, but you don't think they're, like maybe they just need help. There's things aren't moving as fast as you want, or quality's off, or something like that, right? Head over to bakertilly.com slash digital, click on need some help. Myself or one of my teammates will reach out to you. If you think you could do it yourself, click on these two videos and get up to speed. I think you can do it.